Solve the following equations. 3x minus 7 is equal to 8, and then 9x plus 5 is equal to 23. These have two steps in them. So the keywords again are balance and doing opposite. So you look at the equation and you look at this bit here which says take 7. So what I'm going to do is add 7 to both sides. If I do that, I'm going to have 3x take 7 plus 7, which will just give 3x. And then I get 8 plus 7, which gives me 15. So now it's very similar to one of the equations in the previous example. Multiplying by 3, well, the opposite of multiplying by 3 is to divide both sides by 3. So that's going to give me x, and then 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. B. 9x plus 5 is equal to 23. So the opposite of adding 5 is to take 5 from both sides. So I've got 9x plus 5 take 5, which just gives me 9x, and then 23 take away 5, which gives me 18. Here I've got 9 times x. The opposite of multiplying by 9 is to divide both sides by 9. So I'm going to get x is going to be equal to 18 divided by 9, which is 2. So this has been a video to show you how to solve linear equations with 2 steps. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.